long line. I've been in line for about more than an hour right now, but you can see it goes all the way and it wraps around all the way to the front. So it's just, yeah, it's packed, dude. It's gonna be a busy weekend for sure.
Okay, so we showed up last night. This is the first day of the event, and they basically are kicking me out because this is an NHRA event. I don't have my NHRA license. So basically they said I couldn't race. But this morning they said it was okay as long as I turned down the boost and not run faster than a 9. So I'm in a class where some of the fast cars are in the 9s, but a lot of them are 10s and 11s. So I'm not going to run the CO2 today. So put me around 650, and we're just going to go have fun with it. And I mean, hopefully we make it far. If not, we try. But I got to go get my NHRA license, so I'm going to schedule that, and then we won't have this problem again. So we'll see. Okay, so we just did our first qualifying pass, and I think I'm already kicked out because I went first, second, and third, and completely let out in fourth, and ran a 9.3 at 123 miles an hour. That's no fourth gear. Like I tell you, I tapped fourth and just let out and coasted the rest of the way. Oh man. So I guess we'll wait and see for if they come and kick me out, because they already told me if I ran faster, if I ran in the 9s, then I'm kicked out. So that sucks. I should have just floored it then and hit a PB, because that's flying. That's flying. All right, well, we'll see what they say. All right, so I haven't heard anything about getting kicked out yet, so I'm going to unhook strain, because my whole plan is to, whoever I'm racing against, match their time. So that way we go at the same time and I can just pace them, and hopefully, you know, at the end of the track beat them by just a little bit and hopefully not break out. But I think that's my best bet, rather than just trying to hit the same time, because right now the Civic's just is too fast. So I'm gonna take out strain. It'll be easier to.
Isn't that insane? And he didn't even go in fourth. Once he hit fourth, he just. Yeah, isn't that insane? That's freaking nice.
Okay. There we go. I'll connect it later, and I need a clip that I can unpop and clip as I go. But yeah, strain is literally just for going for gold. And right now I'm just trying to pace somebody, so it's just gonna be way easier to just rely on the clutch rather than the strain to get me where I need to be. So. elimination. I got knocked out because I put 10.2 on mine. He was a 10.3, and his was a 10.35, and he did a 10.31. So technically he broke out, but I broke out worse because I was just kind of matching his speed. I should have slammed on my brakes, but I tried to beat him by like just a hair, but that little hair is just a little too fast. So unfortunately we're done for the day. At least I still got to run. So we're just gonna watch some races and hang out and chill with the family. But we had a good day so far, so it is what it is. Okay, so instead of racing today, we are going to go to a namsayin meet at Speed Factory and take the Supra, because those cars in the bracket class, they're just dialed, you know. To be a Civic in those classes is just, it's really hard, you know. I'm more of just a straight shooter, go for gold, but they won't let me do that. So let's go look at some cars. Let's take the Supra out. It's a beautiful day. Washed up. She looks good. I love the new chrome wheels. I think they look so much better than I anticipated. I also got the carbon fiber Riddick's front lip put on. Kind of doesn't fit the best. I have to do some modification. It's kind of just tacked on there, so yeah, she's gleaming. She looks good. There is a lot of people. There's a lot of nice cars here. Been a fan of the Silvias. If I didn't have a Supra, I would definitely get one of these. These are so nice to me. I love the boxy look to it. So easy to make look good. If I didn't have the Supra or a Silvia, I'd get an Evo. They're gorgeous. Love them.
Yeah, drop it off. Drop it off. When do you want me to put you on the schedule?
I feel like Hondas and Acuras now, like, they're like getting harder to see. Like, I rarely see them driving around anymore, you know. It's kind of like, I don't know, so weird, 'cause, you know, of course, like a couple years ago, I feel like you see them everywhere every time you drive. Gorgeous Evo. The black looks so good on the EKs. Okay, Tommy. Not enough. Alright, see ya. Beautiful EK9. Okay. Pretty tasteful. Alright.
homie's Element.
Yeah, you probably want to look at first time around.
I think it's that thing annoying.
Crazy to think this
Cut the hood.
at one point.
What kind of Element, you know? Okay. Moves it like that. So, see? Tasteful. You take something that's ordinary, make it extraordinary. Gorgeous. Oh yeah. Ours looks exactly the same. Whose car is this? Hey, whose car is this?
Daddy's.
This is funny. Fire. Love me NSXs. There she is. World's fastest Civic. So crazy. You think I could fit that turbo on my car? Might be a tight fit, but I think I can make it work. So cool. Speed Factory's new K-Series all-wheel drive that they're gonna do. This one's gonna be so fast. I can't wait to see this one done. This one's gonna be raw. Yeah. The big boys. Let me put my car in here. Caught me some merch. if I get this one.